Hi, welcome to my channel Power System Hub. Today we will see how to configure IP in one Micom P442 relay through MCL file. Before that, I will tell you I have made one video how to communicate the device, new relay through S1 Agile. You go to that, go to my channel and you can see how communication can be established for new relay for S1 Agile. Today we'll not go for communication. We'll see for MCL file how to create MCL file and how to set IP from MCL file through front port and through rear port. Both the option you can see. So let us go today. Now you see I have that S1 Agile. I have opened I have an existing project I have, and I'm just communicated one relay, that is device P442 relay, and I have the connection also established. I will check the connection that relay is communicating. So now I will extract one MCL file. I am not extracting setting PSL. Regarding setting PSL extraction, you can see, you can go to my channel, you can see how to extract setting in PSL, and you can easily understand there. Today we will extract one MCL. Just go to MCL, right click on it, extract active bank. Here inactive bank also available. You just extract active bank. What is after that you can see the active bank is extraction active bank is under progress. After that one file will be created. You see operation success, you can close it. You see here one file under MCL folder, one file default file is created. So we will open that file and we will check what is the IP available and how to set the IP available inside the MCL file. For that you just open it. After opening the MCL file, this type of interface will open. You can see here I have renamed that file tie auto tie or whatever you can rename it, no issue. If you just open this folder, you can go to ID details. Here you can see the ID name, ID, this is ID, what is the type of ID, P442 ID. Okay, that ID name also available here. You can see for IP setting, you just go to communication. You can see here IP address, subnet mask, gateway address. It is available. You have to set the IP series. What type of IP series you have? You just set IP series. As for example, 192.168.1.132. I have the IP series, and subnet mask is that is default, or you can put what are the subnet mask of your IP series network. You can put it here, or you make it as its default. For relay it is default always. And gateway, if you have the gateway IP, you can set the gateway IP. And one more thing you have to remember here, media. Under media you can see single fiber, single copper and redundant fiber. It means single fiber. If you have the fiber patch cord in the back side of the relay for communication, so you have to select the single fiber. If you have the LAN cable, LAN communication in the rear port of the relay, then you have to select single copper or redundant fiber. By mistake, if you are selected single fiber and you are communicating the relay rear port through LAN cable, then it will not work. So you have to just see which type of cable you are using for rear port communication. Means in the back side of the relay, which type of port you are using. If you are using LAN port, means you have to select single copper redundant fiber, and if you are using copper fiber patch cord, means you have to select single fiber. So in my case I am using LAN port, so I am selecting this single copper and fiber redundant fiber. Next, after this one, this is the relay IP. Which type of relay IP you want to set, you can set here. Then if you want to, and then you go to SNTP. Here you can see under SNTP, if you want to synchronize the relay through SNTP server, you can put go to external server one. You can put SNTP or GPS IP. What is your GPS IP? You can put here. Suppose the GPS IP series, my GPS IP series 192.168.2.54, then I have set it here. After that, just you can see here one validate configuration tick mark, green tick mark was there, means you have to first validate that configuration what you have entered. If there is an error, means the relay will not accept that file while you are downloading. So there should be no error. Before that, you can see here that log symbol. Before editing, while opening that file, that log symbol should be unlocked by clicking here. Otherwise, you can't able to edit anything, or you can't able to put any IP here. So you have to unlock that key lock. Then you can edit the IP. After that, you just validate this by clicking this green signal. You can see here. Here you can see one error. What type of error? You have to clear that error. Otherwise, the relay will not. You can not able to download that this file. SNTP external server is not contain an immediate subnetwork, and no gateway IP address is configured. So SNTP one we have put some IP. So this is this is not exactly the IP what you have to what we have configured. So exact series of your IP you have to check and put it here. I don't have the GPS now, so I am keeping as it is 0. Then right click on validate configuration. Here you can see there is a 0 error. There is no error. Warning, there is no issue, but error should not be there. After that, just close this file, save it, then close this file and connect your before this process. You connect your 9-pin serial cable on the front HMI port of the relay. You can see here the 9-pin port, and other end of your cable to your PC. This is the serial communication. This is a 9-pin serial communication. And the back side of the rail, there is a IP and fiber communication on there. So first of all, you have to connect this cable in the 9-pin of the of your PC end and in this relay end. Then just now this file is edited. We have set the IP of the relay. Now we will send this file into the relay. So just click on send option, this right arrow, upward arrow mark, or you can right click on it. You can click on send also. Now this Agile is trying to communicate with the relay. You see here that file 000.mcl file is open. That active configuration we want to send to the relay. So we just click on it, validate it first. We'll just validate this one. You can see, you can see the report, communication address has been set, everything is okay. Okay, you just close it. Now just this file you are going to set. After validation, you have to tick this one. Before validation, it should not be able to tick. You can't able to tick this one because that file is not validated. After validation, you can tick it here, then send it to the relay. When you will send this file into the relay, it will automatically after download you can go to the front HMI, and you can go to ID configurator in the relay. There is one option, and you can check there what is the IP of the relay after modification, after downloading. What the IP you have set in the Agile, that IP should be visible there. After that, you can easily communicate of that relay through rear port, that is a fiber port or LAN port. This is the one step for sending MCL file through S1 Agile project directly. But this is available for this version of Agile v1.2.1.3. But if you have the S1 Agile below this version, I will show you now that process of download is different. I will show you. Just for that, we have to go to the, if you have the S1 Agile below that version, then you can go to your C drive program files where you have installed the S1 Agile software. In my case, I have installed my S1 Agile software C drive program files, GA Micom S1 Agile ID configurator. Under this S1 Agile folder, you can see one ID IC61850 ID configurator. Just open that one, then go to folder. Then it will ask the where that MCL file is available. I have MCL file under this one, test S1 test 2 132. That what the substation we have created under that bay. You can see here, you can see that MCL under 6150. You can see the EC 000.mcl file. We have edited the IP here. Just open that MCL file. Here see, we have set the IP. Okay, this IP you have set. Just 1 second, you just unlock this one and open communication, and you check once again whether it is okay or not. This single copper return 5 because you are using LAN cable, everything you check it and validate once again. There is no error. Now for downloading, if you have the below that S1 Agile below that version, higher version, for lower version of S1 Agile, here you can see there is a sending configuration button is here. You can click on it. This file will be automatically, it will ask, sometime it will ask the password. You just type 4 times a and send it to the relay. This is the second alternate option for older version of S1 Agile relay, for downloading the MCL edited MCL file into the relay. If you like this video, please subscribe and refer to your friends. Thank you.